how Malayalam singing sounds to a non-Malayalam speaker. Ever wondered how a song in your language might sound to someone who doesn't understand it? Let's take a musical dive and find out. Parabang po patko nagati wartang punjari ventam po pati mantaro. Benito po katrajon na dugin narang kalpatra sori lang po tanong katram maramang toni galveltari manjam. Sari ka peritong matanong. Koltari banindari nindam pori kasing na tibalta pori kung sendaram kort panam jortaring nintamandarang soring you pin No, this isn't what real Malayalam singing sounds like. Because it isn't Malayalam, it's just gibberish. But there will always be those who don't get the joke and say this isn't what Malayalam sounds like. Makes me feel like I can see the future. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob singing more languages in pure gibberish.